Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahril Satriono. I from Teknik Dirgantara B. My name 2005067. Hand tools. Open wrench. The function of a wrench is to open the bolt, not by turning it to the right. If you want to take in, then turn to the left. The visibility is seen in the head of the key itself. If the head of the wrench is rusty or dull, the key cannot be used. Open wrench, box wrench. The function of lock ring is to open the bolt, not by turning it to the right. If you want to take in, then turn to the left. The visibility is seen in the head of the key itself. If the head of the key ring is rusty or dull, then the key cannot be used. Standard combination. The purpose of this key is to combine the function of wrench and a ring. This key is simple because this key fills in the gap between the two keys. Allen wrench. The use of this key is to open, release the bolt with the head of the bolt protruding, like in missile players. The size of this key is between 2 milli. The visibility is seen from the A of the key L. If it broken or worn, then it cannot be used. The adjusters wrench. The purpose of this key is to make bolt knot that the spanner ring cannot do beside this key either, because it does not need to use less forces and wrench and ring. Visibility is determined from the wrench jaw adjuster seen from the mouth of the wrench itself. Screwdriver. The use of screwdriver is to open, install screws plus and screw on, minus on certain components in motor parts such as headlamp, radiator protector, and to remove fasteners such as screws, etc. Visibility is seen from the blade of the blade of the screwdriver. If the screwdriver blade is bent, it cannot be used. Usually it is used as a support for hiding objects. The purpose of this object is to hide or install and remove engine components such as a bearing, install, disconnecting, the connecting to the propeller shaft, etc. Hammer. Sorry. Visibility seen from the hammer head and hammer body. If you want to use this equipment, pay attention to the position. Socket wrench is Socket wrench is a key that contains several keys. Where its use is to open bolts. Nuts there for an ascerable behind, such as being in the Yenner mentioned. Whipsaw. The saw blade is a simple cutting and groove tool. The sides of which have handle cutting teeth. Half moon spanner. The spanner has a shape like a crescent moon, making it easier to loosen bolts that are located with default. Wedge is a clamp tool for clamping work objects that will be flat, scissored, sewed, taped, Disney of other. By turning the handle of the vise, the mouth of the vise will clamp or open the workpiece. Being worked on, the lids of the vise must be guarded not to be damaged by carving, filing, and soon. Ragum. Power tools. Drilling machine. This machine is used to punch workpieces the small diameter. The working principle of the table drilling machine is that the rotation of the electric motor is forwarded to the engine shaft so that the shaft rotates. Electric welding. How to connect metal by using an electric or wedge directed to the metal surface to be joined. An engine to compress air or gas to increase the process of a gas. The gas pressure and be ensured by forcing to reduce its volume. Bars. To hold workpieces such as knives and shells, or it can also be aimed at forming workpieces, such as trimming that results of cutting, trimming wheels, forming curves at angled workpiece, preparing workpieces to be welded. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.